Gemini Notebook is here to transform your research experience. This video will walk you through its powerful new features. NotebookLM has officially become Gemini Notebook. Google has upgraded the core technology to the powerful Gemini 3.5 engine. Gemini Notebook is designed to focus on your sources, effectively ignoring outside noise to keep your work precise. By grounding every response in your uploaded files, Gemini Notebook stops hallucinations and provides verifiable facts, quotes, and page numbers. The platform connects directly to Google Drive, automatically syncing your edits and keeping your project organized. The AI proactively finds new sources to help you build a comprehensive knowledge base. Gemini Notebook can now run Python code, allowing you to use Antigravity for complex data analysis tasks. You can upload up to 50 sources in many different formats, and Gemini Notebook is capable of reading them all. Need to share your findings? The AI can generate slide decks and even build interactive mind maps from your text. Visualizing data is easier than ever. Gemini Notebook designs infographics and generates clear data charts for you. The platform also hosts podcasts and can render cinematic video overviews, adding new dimensions to your research. To help you study, Gemini Notebook creates flashcards and quizzes you on your knowledge to reinforce what you've learned. The AI can also analyze your resume, providing insights to help you plan your career path effectively. Your work travels with you on mobile, and Google ensures your data remains protected at all times. Ready to get started? Build your knowledge base today with Gemini Notebook.